This is an example of setting up a calculation. Now, first of all, we're going to set up a result calculation, which will give you an answer, which you can display. And so you can see here we're using the pull-down boxes to pull components. So our calculation is going to be for a profit ratio. And so that's taking sales, it's subtracting the expenses, and then we're going to divide it by sales. So we're just going through the things to make that calculation. You can see we're putting brackets around it, and then we're going to divide it and by gross sales. So now we've completed that, we can test it. And so you can see the answer is 0.8. So that's used the test response to get those answers. So now we're going to go and put a score calculation. We're going to make it more complicated, where we calculate a score based on the profit ratio. So we're going to build a case statement, and so that's case when. And we're going to first of all put in the formula again. So we're just going to put that in. And you can see it's gross sales minus expenses. And close bracket. Divided by gross sales. Okay, now when that is greater than, and we're going to put free text in, and 0.4, so it's when it's greater than 40%, so the profit ratio, it's a percentage effectively. So when it's greater than 0.4, we're going to give them a score of 10. And so we add that. So now we've got that. We want to copy. We've copied that, and we've made another when statement here just by taking off the case. So this is the syntax of a case statement. You can have multiple whens, and we're just changing the 30%, the 40% to 30%, and so you see we add the free text on the end, and then we just copy it to the right place. We drag and drop it to the right place. So we've made another copy, and we're going to make this one that if it's 20%, and we'll just drag that up to the right place, greater than 20, then, and then we're going to give them 2.5 points if it's greater than 2.5, and then we're going to put an else, which is a case statement, and else 0, so they get 0 points if it's less than 20%, and then the syntax of a case statement is to have an end on it. And then we can test that, and so you can see that's calculated correctly, and we save it.